This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by blocking in the main backbone. Draw a straight vertical stem and 2 horizontal guides for top and bottom. Use light strokes so you can adjust later. Next, place a small circle where the bowl of the lowercase b will sit. This sets thickness and curvature. Once done, connect the circle to the stem with gentle arcs to form the front face. Make sure to keep proportions consistent. If the bowl feels too wide, nudge the guide lines closer together and erase stray marks. Now build depth by offsetting the front face with a parallel line that runs in a single direction. This is your extrusion. You'll want to connect the matching edges with angled strokes to create the side faces. Pick roughly 45 degrees for a simple, believable perspective. After that, refine the inner counter by drawing a thinner inner curve parallel to the bowl edge and sketch the rear curve where the extrusion wraps around. As you work, erase overlapping guide bits so the 3D shape reads cleanly and the forms stay distinct. Complete the letter by selecting a clear light source. Shade the opposite faces with darker values and soft crosshatching to imply mass. Add a subtle highlight on the closest edge, and then go over the primary outlines with a darker pencil or pen for crispness. Once done, soften any harsh transitions with a blending stump or light eraser lifts. If the form still looks flat, boost contrast or slightly exaggerate the extrusion. This corrective change usually restores the 3D illusion without reworking the whole drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.